So midpoint and bisector can have a little bit more difficulty with the equations when you write them because they aren't just always going to be equal and they're never going to add up to 180. All right, they're going to be equal sometimes, and then sometimes this is going to happen. So if you look at it, you have a midpoint again. All right, so AC has a midpoint. All right, well, there's AC. I'll highlight it in yellow. That means there's two equal parts. All right, and then what they did, they set them equal. That sounds reasonable because it says two equal parts, but let's see where they are. All right, AB is right here. That's one of the equal parts. Fantastic. And then before I just go ahead and highlight that in green and highlight the other part, that's AC. AC, I've already got marked down as yellow. All right, so I have blue equals yellow. Just by looking at the picture, I can tell those two are not the same length. All right, now I got to think about it a little bit more. Blue, this is one half of the line segment, and then AC is the whole thing. So I got to ask myself, well, if I have a blue and a yellow, how do I make them equal? Well, if I do two blues, that would be equal to the yellow. All right, because blue is half as big as yellow. So how do I fix this equation? I need to put a 2, all right, and make two blues. So you have to think about this because this is one that you can't necessarily just tell from looking at the picture, all right? And even if you can, you have to explain it anyways, all right? Blue is half of yellow. Maybe I'm going to write this down too. So since I know blue is half of yellow, two blues equals one yellow. So be careful with these equations when we get used to making them, when you get started making them, because it's not as easy as we like to try to think that it might be.